Hello and welcome to our video on controlling third-party access to your Google account information and removing associated apps from your Gmail account. It's crucial to periodically evaluate the apps that have access to your Gmail account because you might have previously given permission to some apps that you no longer use or rely on. You can safeguard your privacy and make sure that only the apps you want may access your data by revoke access to these apps. So let's get started. First, open up the Gmail app on your device and make sure you are logged in to your Google account. Once you're in the Gmail app, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Manage your Google account. In the Google account settings, tap on the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the Third-Party Access section. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps that currently have access to your Gmail account. To revoke access for a specific app, simply tap on it and then select Remove Access. You'll be prompted to confirm your choice, so tap OK to complete the process. Repeat this step for any other apps that you want to disconnect from your account. It's that easy. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching.